Okay, here's our question. We have y is the natural log of x squared plus 7 over 3x root x. We want to find dy dx. And I want you to recall one of our rules of logarithms. Recall that the log of a divided by b is simply log a minus log b. So it's the log of the top minus the log of the bottom. So I'm going to rewrite this as y equals the log of the top, x squared plus 7 minus the log of the bottom, minus the log of 3x root x. And to keep things simple, x root x is x times x to the 1/2 power. So that's x to the first times x to the 1/2, which is x to the 1 plus 1/2, which is x to the 3/2. So that'll make things a little easier for us to work with. So we'll then say y equals the natural log of x squared plus 7 minus the natural log of 3x to the 3/2. And we want to take the derivative of both sides. So fine, we'll take the derivative with respect to the x of the left side. And then the derivative of the sum is the sum of the derivatives. So the derivative of the first piece minus the derivative of the second piece. You get the derivative with respect to x of y is the derivative with respect to x of the log of x squared plus 7 minus the derivative with respect to x of the log of 3x to the 3/2. Okay. And we will pause this one. So the derivative with respect to x of y is dy dx. The derivative with respect to x of the log of something is 1 over the something. So 1 over x squared plus 7 times the derivative with respect to x of that. Minus the derivative of the log of something is 1 over the something times the derivative of that something. So here's our ideas. And what do we get? What happens next here? Well, again, dy dx equals 1 over x squared plus 7. The derivative with respect to x of x squared plus 7 is 2x. Minus 1 over 3x to the 3/2. What's the derivative of 3 times x to the 3/2? I'm going to pull the constant out in front of the derivative operator. So it's 3 times the derivative with respect to x of x to the 3/2 power. So now what do I have? I have dy dx equals 2x over x squared plus 7 minus 3 over 3x to the 3/2. Times the derivative with respect to x of x to the 3/2. Pull the 3/2 down front. 3/2 times x to the 3/2 minus 1. And now we are at saying dy dx equals 2x over x squared plus 7 minus upstairs 9. Well, actually, no, because the 3's divide out. So upstairs 3, downstairs 2, x to the 3/2 downstairs for now. X to the 3/2 minus 1 is x to the 1/2. Now what happens here? X to the 1/2, x to the 3/2. There's a difference of 1, and that remains downstairs. So that I get dy dx equals 2x over x squared plus 7 minus 3 over 2x, which is a perfectly good answer. If you want to get a common denominator, you can. Getting the common denominator, what will that be? 2x over x squared plus 7 minus 3 over 2x. The common denominator would be x squared times plus 7 times 2x. So 2x was there before. And then we're multiplying the bottom by 2x here. The 2x was there before. The negative 3 was there. Multiply that by x squared plus 7. So what does that give me? Upstairs, what do I have? 4x squared, 2x times 2x, 4x squared over x squared plus 7. Downstairs, we have minus 3x squared minus 21. Negative 3x squared minus 21 over, that's x squared plus 7 times 2x is my common denominator. So what does that give me? Now we have dy dx. 4x squared minus 3x squared is just x squared minus 21 over 2x times x squared plus 7. Although to be perfectly honest, I was happy with that one up there.